This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and if we're going over this bridge, you know where we're heading. Tropical storm Arlene is out there. It's supposed to head south, so we hope it keeps going south and doesn't affect our weather, but other than that, the weather forecast is fantastic. This is the Jewfish Creek Bridge, which heads over to Key Largo, so you're officially in the Florida Keys. We're going to be down here for a week. It's the first weekend of June, and we're going to try to do some Mahi fishing, scuba diving, snorkeling, hanging out at the sandbar, and just having a good time. In the news, we keep hearing about the large amount of seaweed out there that keeps washing up on the Florida beaches. We hope that doesn't mess up our fishing, and we hope the tropical storm just keeps on going. So wish us luck on this adventure this week. We're towing our 25-foot sea hunt, and we're staying at Monaco Bay Resort, which is on Lower Monaco Bay Key. Well, fishing's been slow. Debbie's driving the boat. We got a small blackfin, finally. So Justin, how'd you get him?
Well, I came up right behind him, yeah, and he turned like this, and I gave him the old bada bing, bada boom.
Bada boom, he got El Bango in the heado. Well, Tropical Storm Arlene went by us, and it just kind of dissipated. So we decided to just come out to the lighthouse for the first day and have some fun at the lighthouse and see some fishies in the water. You can't go to the Islamorada without going out to the Alligator Lighthouse. So I'll take the GoPro in the water and see what's down there. See you. The Alligator Lighthouse is one of our favorite snorkeling spots in the Keys. There's always a ton of people and a ton of boats out here. Robbie's has a snorkel boat that comes out here almost daily. The water's not that clear today. It's an outgoing tide, but it's still pretty good. Instantly I get in the water, I see all these barracudas are just everywhere. The barracudas aren't afraid of you, and you can swim right up to them and almost touch them. I get closer to the lighthouse and I can see why there's so many barracudas here. There's a huge bait ball underneath the lighthouse. It's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen here. A little rusty. Could use a paint job. I've never seen so many barracudas at this lighthouse, ever. The next clip is kind of long. I'm taking video of inside the bait ball. It's just super cool, so I'm just going to play some music and let it run. The Alligator Lighthouse is 150 years old and 136 feet tall. There's currently a restoration project that's trying to save the old lighthouse. Apparently, the lighthouse keeper's quarters are in really bad shape. They estimate it'll take at least 5 years to complete, and they think it's going to cost $5 to $7 million. Last I heard, they're still waiting on the final engineering report to put a plan together to save the lighthouse. This bait ball's incredible. This bait ball's incredible.
There was even more yesterday.
Was there?
Or 2 days ago. And there was a different school that was pilchards instead of
You see how
glass minnows.
See how the barracudas like dive into it and all the fish just spread around?
You going in?
You can book a snorkel tour out to the lighthouse through Robbie's aboard their Happy Cat boat. I think it includes everything, and I think it's $49 a person. I'll put their contact information in the video. If you want a snorkel tour, give them a call.
The nurse shark has a big lure in its mouth.
bait ball under the lighthouse was amazing. In the news, they keep talking about all these weeds, the giant weed patches heading to Florida. But it just seems a little about average to us. I mean, there's some weeds over there, but you can see there's not weeds everywhere. There's just, seems to me like normal weeds for the Keys. We'll find out when we head offshore. Well, fishing's been slow. Debbie's driving the boat. We got a small blackfin, finally. It's been a slow day. Bunch of birds though. Try to catch another one. Dolphin time. Mrs. Lubner caught it. There you go. She gets the official picture. Look at it, you're barely hooked. Look at that. Look at that. Barely hooked.
He was a fighter. I got him.
You bring him in. Sometimes this GoPro just does the craziest things. Fishing's been slow, so we decided to go diving out at the reef around 90 feet. So Justin, how'd you get him?
Well, I came up right behind him, yeah, and he turned like a this. I gave him the old bada bing, bada boom.
Bada boom, he got El Bango in the heado. That's a beauty. God, I haven't seen one that big in the Keys ever.
We can't tell Kevin until he sees it. You gotta put it in the box.
Crap.
Can't find it.
That's a beautiful shot too. Wow. Was it a kill shot or no?
All right, hold on. Put your good thing away so we can help him. So,
Is it legal?
It's approximately 37 inches in length.
You are not gonna believe it.
That'd be a big old black, dude.
No,
It's even better than a big old black.
It's not a
Big old
black.
yellow jack.
Not a
we're
yellow
not gonna
jack.
tell you. You gotta go in the fish
Go
box
in
and
the
see.
box.
You gotta open the fish
So I
box
shot
and
this
see.
sucker, and of course, literally I shot him right where the Goliath grouper were, right where there's two nurse sharks. They immediately come after me.
Holy shit, dude. You're kidding me. Short, that is the biggest hog.
Alright, let me get
Oh
a
my
picture of him on the
God.
bow before he starts turning color more.
Yeah, I want a picture with him too.
Damn.
Is that not a...
Bro, that's a donkey.
That is an Islamorada snooter, boy!
Yeah, they don't get any bigger than that. They don't get any bigger than that.
Beautiful. Look at me, Mean. Look at me.
Wait, we need a thumbnail.
I'm trying to get...
Dude, it must have been at the end because you didn't have anything on your stringer when I went by you.
Oh, I didn't even see it go by me.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a stud.
Oh my god.
That's a beauty.
Nice, dude. My hands are all wet. It's not gonna be able to, you gotta have my mom do it. I'm not gonna do it with my hands.
no, Bill can do it. Why
Sports, dude. That is a monster, man. That's bigger than the one out of Sarasota, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
100%.
A quick recap on our trip. The weeds weren't that bad. They were scattered. It was hard to find the weed lines because they were so scattered, but we did find a couple of them. There was plenty of birds, but the fishing was just slow. We talked to some locals. They said it had been slow for weeks. It just seems like every year we go down for dolphin fishing, we seem to catch fewer and fewer dolphin, and they seem to get smaller and smaller. Leave a comment if you have the same experience and tell me what you think. We hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you in our next video. See ya!